Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your OnePlus Nord 3 runs the latest Oxygen OS. This prevents carrier and dual SIM bugs. Next, make sure you have 2 active lines, either 2 physical SIMs or 1 physical plus an eSIM provisioned by your carrier. Once done, toggle airplane mode for a few seconds, insert the physical SIM into the tray, and reboot the phone. This first sequence ensures the base hardware and software are in sync before you proceed to configure dual connection settings. Now you dive into Settings and tap SIM and Network. You'll see both lines listed. Tap each SIM to rename them so you don't confuse data versus calls later. Set your preferred mobile data SIM and enable dual SIM options like dual SIM always on or background data for both lines when available. Make sure APN settings are correct for each carrier, and enable VoLTE LTE and Wi-Fi calling per SIM if your network supports them. This prevents dropped calls and finish by testing every function. Place calls from each SIM, send SMS, and browse using the chosen data line to confirm routing. If you need to change defaults, go to Network Settings and set which SIM handles calls, SMS, or mobile data. Do this on the fly. If connectivity or registration fails, reset network settings first. If that does not help, remove and re-add the eSIM or physical SIM, and contact your carrier to reprovision the line. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves registration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.